Ya kuzambo karalo kuzambo davin email ngachi mola dari second order derivative se long the second derivative se long to kala ani na joni da ani the class 7 class 11 gi to kala. So today we'll begin with what we call as second order derivative. So second order derivative na gadi be use hachin ngachi mola y the if we differentiate mosla if we differentiate y with respect to x, if we differentiate y with respect to x, then gachitop sawachin we get gachitop sawachin we get dy over dx. This is our first derivative salabi tum bola hani lo gachilaw sawachin this is called as first derivative se tum boshla hani lo gachilaw this is our first derivative tum boshla da ngachi next gachipew sawachin after differentiating mosla the function Darongachi gachi beong sawachin second time differentiate beong bade. So when we differentiate now differentiate daro benimala differentiate dy over dx with respect to x mosla with respect to x pewdalu tangachi daro gachi thop sawachin we get the derivative of first derivative bedawa that is d by dx of dy over dx se me thop tum gala dy over dx se thop ta ani di gachi jong sawachin this will become d2y by dx square se law ta ani lu gachilong sawachin second derivative se law to bola second derivative se law so second derivative go wachin what do we need to do first of all we need to okay first of all we need to find the first derivative mosla first derivative se go seshini okay paradox done with math lo ina done with math bacheleshim me yeah tiganli che she sasa mo gara okay nice the second order derivative semida anilo labi when I differentiate the function y with respect to x you get your first derivative when you differentiate your first derivative this dy over dx with respect to x you get the second derivative so second derivative the gadi did not bounce hachin d2y by dx square se ani did not bounce shuni to bola example chi bening agi example chi nalu bege to bola diselenga chi rules this juduiba an bening example nalu example bodol kangal nam sem thangop mi the ngachilu function ani chi bachin example chi bege to bola example the if we have this function example the if we have this function example chi bege to bola example gachmani bhai so if we have this function y equal to example chi bege to bola example chi bege yaso hai if we have this function y equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 3x plus 2 the function the ani imbachin mola function the ani imbachin tangachi differentiate bego ba de mola differentiate bego so first derivative the gadi be did not be so dy over dx be did not be delanga chi differentiate bego da gachi top da ani 3 the dongkhong ba de mosla 3x square se dele plus 5 the 2 the multiply bego 10 top x dele 2 minus 1 is 1 bera deomba and the dimengo ngachi the ani dachi 2 the gadi be ase sawajin 3 minus 1 bebe to gola ani rule the disale te imba ngagi minus 3 the constant bera deom so d by dx of x the gamchi mas 1 bedoba and the times 1 plus what is d by dx of constant is 0 so ani bedol ngagi first derivative the gachi top dy over dx is equal to 3x square plus 10x minus 3 bedom to gola ani the first derivative the ani usually gachi bego sa I need to find the second derivative sa second derivative sa dalu gachi bego so da ngachi gi ani dachi first derivative the differentiate bego to d by dx of gachi bego sa dy over dx bego which is equal to now d by dx of ani bego ba d by dx of dy over dx the gamchi topchi dy over dx ani bedo ba de mosla dy over dx gamchi topchi and the 3x square plus 10x minus 3 set to bosla which is equal to the ani the gachi jong se lapching ai dachi d by dx of dy over dx the gadi represent bang long aji d2 mosla d2y over dx square se which is equal to now differentiate this when I differentiate gachi top denga chi that 2 times 3 times 2 bego which is 6x top the 10 the 10 bero theu d by dx of x is 1 bedoba the minus d by dx of 3 is 0 which is equal to gamchi top 6x plus 10 times 1 is 10 so ani the nagi second derivative de so do kala derivative the ani be deu se shunila. So when we have function mola function the y equal to say ani be jinde bajin, we need to represent our first derivative by dy over dx, second derivative by d2y over dx square se represent back also to bushla. Now what if we have our function in terms of f na lo bajin, f of x se bajin mushla, f of x se bajin tanga idachi function ra dinime to gala. So gadim chi be chugi y gi sama ngachilo f of x se jimba chi function di mushla. If we have f of x equal to fx equal to x square x cube plus 5x square minus 3x plus 2 se bajin mushla. Darunga ji differentiate be the first order derivative di ani hebdalo when the function is dependent variable is given in terms of gachimo the x na imeba, but f of x be jinde bajin, not just y ani be bajin achiki first derivative the gadi be represent be f prime x se mushla, f prime x se be ba, which is equal to again do same that is umbera do the same thing. You'll get 3 in front, x raised to 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2 times 5 is 10x. X bera liume tupkala because 2 minus 1 is gachimo de 1 bera deuma 1 de madru tup minus 3 de debra thion. The let dy dx of derivative of x is 1 plus 2 bedem anal multiplication in to which is equal to you get 3x square plus 10x minus 3 and it is 0 mushla, derivative of constant is 0. Animchi chegi first derivative de to first derivative and the top do zumbera. The only thing is now this time in place of y we have f of x say dubade. Now f double prime x say divachin, now you have to differentiate the first derivative differentiate back over. Kamchi top nale 3 times 2 is 6, x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 plus the let 10 beta deu derivative of x is 1 bedova, the minus derivative of 3 is 0, which is equal to kamchi top ani the 1 the madru to ba de mushla 6x top plus 10 se top ani the chegi second derivative deu se. So second derivative ki dan lo de gachi pe ko sa sani differentiate pe ko sa sir lo se honge yes la gachi namola yes la anything sewang is sir se taun ba nani bi to ka ani bi. So now ngachi next question na joni to bala next question na joni. So this agi rules the suchegi tato e bachin darigi di jamba this agi rules the mata the concept the gachi namashi bachin gutu na ome to gala class 10 na ba in la na ba ani ba to this agi temi di youtube na yu chara refer be bachin de la na le chi to ba basic concept da afal jindi ngai to ga graphical way na ranga explain be de ba avina sachi jona to ga. So class 11 gi ding achilo dato zumchi bewachin te alu bewachin class 11 gamchi 11 se suna la karagi sachi tage 11 nalo alo mam me wachin they focus the 12 no bego ba because ro 12 gi khache mo e gadim chi 11 na mam me wachin 11 gi beni iconic di du dachilera ani be jogo ba ngachi okay 11 iconic jamchi na newas the 12 minde 11 ariando okay. Given 11 se chuna tup kala given that y equal to 5 over 2x minus 3 whole raised to 3 find d2y by dx square selap mein second derivative se selap mein to kala second derivative se selap mein ba honge. So second derivative se go gachi pe al desu gachi pe go ngachi number first derivative se go de deba the low first derivative ma che hema chegi independent variable x the ma denominator le bachin ya numerator na bhasho to gala numerator na bhasho. So y is equal to 5 over 2x minus 3 whole raised to 3 se doba ta ani de yata bani to gala ani ma denominator na yemi yata bani because x ki term de ma denominator na jabachin achi lahata hu bade mosh and then yata bani me. So y will be equal to 5 deu ani yata babdul gachi happen be so 2x minus 3 the gaim bera deu but what will happen to the sign of this exponent here tachi ma positive me ba yata babdul gachi jo so negative jo so to bola negative jo so the simplify be ba demo. Now you have your x ya numerator na yo ba demo denominator na 10 by ba yata numerator na babdalu just sign of your exponent di change jo to bola that's positive 3 di that to negative 3 jong. Now differentiate beni dy over dx is equal to the chain rule se me jeba the mo chain rule gaji rule lo chain rule se me jeba de chain rule apply beni to bola chain rule apply beni. So gaji be on sa chin da bar and negative 3 di 5 the chiga multiply bego, so you'll get negative 15 mostly negative 15 top the let to x minus 3 and it is subtract by 1 bego mostly subtract by 1 the let the shule gaji bego sa chin nana im the differentiate beni to d by dx of 2x minus 3 without taking the exponent bombing me da to pushla. Next gaji be on sa chin negative 15 the anivra diyo, then you have 2x minus 3 and negative 3 minus 1 will give you negative 4 say. Then what is the derivative of 2x? So ngachi sheba di bola 2 the 2 bera diyo, derivative of x is 1 is minus what is the derivative of 3 is 0 ani diyo moshla. Then which is equal to negative 15, we have 2x minus 3 whole raised to negative 4. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 0, so you're going to get 2 here, 2 jam top. That 2 the gada chiga multiply be also negative 15 the chiga multiply be go, so you'll get negative 30. Then you have 2x minus 4 minus 3 whole raised to negative 4 as your dy over dx, which is your first derivative first derivative the ani bidyon to bola first derivative de ani bidyon se judo. The next gachi be go ngachi second derivative se go taro gachi be ni ngachi chain rule lalin thamni to bola chain rule lalin thamni me. Okay, second derivative na joge, so what will happen second derivative na lo. Okay, gachi be ngachi differentiate be go de mola taro ani differentiate be go ba. So when I differentiate then I shortcut na dero to ba de mosla. When I differentiate this dy over dx, I'll get my second derivative, which is denoted by d2y by dx square equal to daru chain rule use beni negative 30 the another ba de mosla negative 30 times gachi be negative 4 begola times negative 4 to mosla negative 4 ana dachi gachi be agi negative 3 times 5 be dalu negative 15 thop jiba de, so that the negative 30 times negative 4 se mosh the next gachi be go se jui agi ani nana ki same beradini 2x minus 3, then we have negative 4 minus 1 se beni to bola power nale subtract bego to bola chi. Then d by dx gachi bego d by dx of your terms inside the bracket without taking the exponent yagi exponent the take be mengo anim chi chain rule. Now gachi bego so negative times negative will become positive and 30 times 4 is 120. Then gachi top so 2x minus 3 top, then next thing negative 4 minus 1 will give you negative 5 moshla nichara negative bache add bego badi moshla. Then d by dx of 2x is simply 2 and d by dx of 3 is 0, therefore you're going to get only 2. Now gachi beni maso multiply beni 120 times 2 ki multiply with you get 240 and then you have 2x minus 3 whole raised to negative 5. Now I can take this 2x minus 3 whole raised to negative 5 denominator na bani to bola denominator na bab the gachi top so 240 the numerator na dio, the 2x minus 3 the denominator na jo the badalu sign change ho ani the negative 5 me ba mata badalu positive 5. So ani the gachi mo so chi d2y by dx square, which is our second derivative to bola second derivative is. So if you want to find the second derivative by any means you have to find the first derivative, only then you'll be able to find the second derivative to bola first derivative serama se second derivative seni savajin not possible me. So first derivative ani differentiate first differentiate be ma savajin second derivative seni gi kokabra mi ngachi to kala kokabra mi. So yagi the mistake ya soje magi the correct jone gi kokabra mi to pushla yagi the correct ya soje mata correct be theni kokab yulan be dalu te careful be first derivative ra lej mistake of the geche. Yeah, tap zena garagi 2.3 jamchi me. So now next question na juni achre race pege achre race ma be chindi tenga chi mo daro yalu ngagi information jemi dusu digest pe me suba dena bu mosla. Hello there you, I know I'm a kid but I'm having trouble learning about SAS triangle construction. Okay, side angle side to side angle side ki class gachi na mashi please come during your any timetable ki schedule na lo schedule during your schedule time na lo show, so anna lo ngai char bejinge to kala. So anyone would like to gifters zega bachi please fulfill learning ki goal chi fulfill zena to kala I'm not anime that insist the payment, but only if there are gifters who like to contribute. Okay, now ngachigi question interesting chi bege tab gala. Interesting question chi bege, whereby we also find the range of values of x for which dy and dy over dx and your second derivative are negative. Ani chi bege to gala. So class 12 maximum minimum la. Class 12 ki khasanga ki booking be dalu class 12 ki honde ba honi di connect section ki thotit beni be jai bala. Kari chela sonam dema ase memola. Sonam Dema, thank you, thank you. Sonam Dema, thank you so much. Membership join Zena to bola if possible. So now, okay, let me go to this question. Another question that I do la. Class 11 more. Class 11 so dato ngache ma maths the 12 no foundation lejum goni so 11 na yin to bola. 11 na lejum zona. Ana 11 na lejum zo ya so ya 12 na have the advanced questions with the jump. Otherwise 11 na basic 12 na basic club de bachin dele la khata ba. So anben ki dargi session di chara 11 de sugi danlo dinam se me lejum me nahi zum ji ba I didn't do for 11 ki mabe me ngai nahi gi. So this thing 11 Beijing because they said Cambridge curriculum me ach la khata me ach bena the next year 25% the minimum ra male the se me ani ba dol ngachi ko ma ja se kondak pachi ki request pe de anben ki jam chinga 11 de chui December 9 ge chui the 9 ge de ngai dinal suk jak de yila jen de 9 lo 11 lo singa nahi de mabela ara board exam gi be but ngachi foundation de dani home exam de sunale ma chuba chin ya board exam na cham chi sub de mitu be so nobe rokhongi lab me de dembe se nobe denga char be chimbila. Okay, now tap the 3.9 as no. So next question na jogi to bola next question de gadi be sawachin yeah next question de gadi be sawachin ani be to ba so time di jodo me ngachi jobo ra bego be to bola question di gadi be to a curve se to ba a curve has equation mosla has equation follows ena follow mazmin this equation gachi to such equation the y equal to x cube mosla x cube plus 3x square minus 9x plus 2 se do equation de to bola tele khongi lab me first na lo sub question a lab me find se lab me ba find the range of values se lab me values of x for which dy over dx and d2y over dx square are negative se me ba de to bola are negative se less than 0 be da de mosla negative then b na lo de gachi to search show that d2y by dx square is not equal to dy over dx whole square ani show be go be the dy de ani me do ngachi lo to posla oh aje se me digi gachina lapsa o ai se gachina o yai gachina su no me gachina hamawa ai de ya dani function di ji janu ngachi lo y equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 9x plus 2 se doba. The first question is to find the range of values of x for which dy over dx and d2y over dx square are negative. So meaning ani di negative num negative ina ani ki range of values of x ki value num ani dy over dx the d2y over dx square the negative ina ani tengo bachin. First of all we need to find dy over dx the chera chewa de mosla dy over dx. So ngachi joni nalu damba de ngai dy over dx ni to bola ngi function de gachime x cube plus 3x square minus 9x plus 2 mm. So ngai di lab do chen class 12 de sulu class sunday nga schedule ki booking china ondo chen so nga live na home dalu chera home be book be na se de book be mi mindula ko bmt ki de be de la ko thursday. Now aninalu differentiate by what will I get? Ani 3 the donka jogo ba demosla. So I'll get 3x reduce 3 by 1 which is 2 plus 6 the 3 the 2 multiply by the 6th of x raised to reduce 2 by 1 2 by 1 beodalu 1 thoba di mosla, which is same as writing x minus and 9 di ga imbero thyo and the derivative of x is 1 bedoba 1 plus derivative of 2 is 0. Constant is 0 bedoba mosla. So dy over dx the gaji thobe sa janga dy over dx to thobe 3x square plus 6x minus 9 thobe se to gala ani me. Now khongi lab me we have to find the values, range of values of x. So range of values of x x ki value chi membe ni membe lash on member for which dy over dx dy over dx is negative mosla. So dy over dx the negative labi ganle dy over dx the less than 0 hongo se member de mosla. Dy over dx the less than ga hongo 0 hongo se to mosla. Now dy over dx the datu thop chi rehma de mo 3x square plus 6x minus 9 se ta ani di num ani bed substitute bego se analo substitute bego to bola chi datu substitute bego ba analo the gaji top sa jinga gi 3x square plus 6x minus 9 is less than 0 ani mitsuni tani dinga I simplify bebe common take bego cha analo common take bego gaji top sa jinga gi 3 the common be de because 6 and 9 they are multiple 3 6 9 gar multiple of 3 bedo de mosla. So 3 chika ten tani ngai gaji top sa x square top 3 times 2 will give you 6x minus 3 times 3 is 9 bedo less than 0 se. The next gaji pe x square plus 2x minus 3 less than 0 divided by ani di ma denominator na jong 3 ani the textbook nalu ba gar detail ba mijem ba tenga nalu explain be jam di chen asper jam se no didla x square plus 2x minus 3 jong less than 0 divided by 3 is 0 be dem bola. So this will be our new inequality to bola inequality sab de ani be dem ta ani ki shule ngachi x ki value chego ba ta ani di ngachi ki quadratic expression me ani di ta ani di quadratic inequality me ba de mosh the quadratic formula use beru gade beru tup lanalo sum and product beru tup the quadratic formula use be me disugi this quadratic formula use be beti there is sum and product use be ni sum and product use beru tup to gala. So sum and product use be na quadratic use be na sharagi te chalui tup gala is up to you. So quadratic formula use chabacha analu x square plus 2x minus 3 nalu quadratic formula use chabachin a di gachi de x square ki dongkha demi number ni. So a di gachi do x square ki dongkha de gachi do gane me dawa gane me by default 1 ni to gala by default 1 the b se me the x ki dongkha emi di dan the 2 eme c se me the constant term so negative 3 to gala negative 3 hagu gala tangagi x is equal to negative b plus or minus the this nga explain beba benidi b square minus 4ac formula de ani ngachi quadratic formula di 2ac which is equal to now negative nalu du 2 di b di gamchi me b di 2 ime plus or minus the b square labajin 2 square mosla 2 square minus 4ac labajin 4ac 4 times 1 times c di gamchi me a di 1 mosla c di gamchi me negative 3 divided by 2 times a labajin 2 times 1 say gamchi to ngai negative 2 plus or minus 2 square the gamchi mal so 4 negative times negative gamchi positive 4 times 3 the gamchi 12 divided by gamchi top nalu 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equal to gamchi top so negative 2 plus or minus 4 plus 2 is gamchi 16 4 plus 12 is 16 most like 16. So root of 16 se top divided by 2 x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus root of 16 is 4 divided by 2 x is equal to gamchi negative 2 chi di plus 4 divided by 2 bani to bola the chi di gachi bani x is equal to negative 2 minus 4 divided by 2 se bani to boshla. So x is equal to gamchi top sa negative 2 plus 4 will give you 2 over 2 which is equal to 2 over 2 the gamchi moya also 1 be the bani moshla ta ani 1 the choma bachin positive 1 me na ta babdalo negative 1 jo equal to 0. So you'll get your first factor as x minus 1 se top to bola x minus 1 se top dele na next nalu jo achin negative 2 mola negative 2 minus 4 will give you negative 6 divided by 2 x is equal to gamchi top sa negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3 negative 3 the choma bachin left on the baum bachin x plus 3 se jo equal to 0 ani bada second factor the gachi message x plus 3 me to bushla ta ani the gati chuni masa ana chuni da anal gachi top sa jinga x minus 1 emoshla and then x plus 3 multiply be odalo ani tikti jumela x plus 3 is less than 0 se chuni to bola less than 0 se chuni da gachi be ni mo gachi relation to bago mola this is increasing the decreasing the email angagi x minus 1 less than 0 bani and gachimo x plus 3 less than 0 se bani to bola okay. Now next gachimo ani number the path bani mo negative 1 di gachito ngai x is kachi topda ani negative do ba demo anal negative do so x is ani phata bani mela negative 1 kachi jonga chigi negative 1 di will become positive 1 so x is less than positive 1 ani positive 3 di phata bani mela kachi topla less than negative 3 se tobe mosla less than negative 3 ani beudal weda problem chi thyo ba denga chi तानी नालो दिसे प्रॉब्लम थे मेरे आनी बात है मोसला आनी नालो हेब दांगा प्रॉब्लम इशू दे आने थे में इशू दे तो बोला इशू दी आना x is less than negative 3 तानी में दा x is less than negative 3 आने आना लो मोला आनी दिंगे नंबर लाइन में बादे negative 3 आना दियो ओके x is less than 1 सेवचिन आना less than 1 1 दे आने में तेरे less than negative 3 सेवचिन फाता में बदमो फाता तो लॉजिक ची मिंदो बात लेस देन नेगेटिव 1 की कवर जो मत आनी थी मुश्ला लॉजिक ची मिंदो बात मुश्ला नहीं सो आनी नालो हेब दलो अच्छी ची कंफ्यूजन थे नहीं में जी तो बोला आनी भी जेना तो बोला x is negative 1 सो आनी दिंगा ची नेगेटिव तो बात मोला x is negative 1 तो सो लॉजिक होंगे बचिन ता तो x की वैल्यू दे आनी नहीं की बाना होंगे बाबा नाची की लॉजिक दी नेगेटिव 3 दा पॉजिटिव 1 की बाना होंगे बे आनी बे दलो ngachi gachi be ma sajin x is mosla x is phato joajinda ani begala disele mistake juice andi x is ani be ben to bola positive 3 na ja x te phato joda gachi jongla negative x mosla negative x the negative de na mango x ta chiga negative mango sajin gachi bego ngagi da negative ki multiply bego mola yeah okay negative ki multiply beni so divided by negative 1 divided by negative 1 zum ji me ba ani badal 3 divided by negative 1 is negative 3 me greater than thob negative will get cancelled so you get x so ngachi ki range ti gadi thobe sajin range the anime thobe to bola range the anime thobe your x is mola ani x the less than 1 me ba tebe the greater than gach me greater than negative 3 mela ani the range of tamatenge graphically range of values of x me ba range of values of x for which your first derivative is negative first derivative negative sevajin less than 0 goes ani range na bewajin chiki first derivative di ani negative mola less than 0 de se me ba negative be de se so tama gadi be negative themena sajta gi mola ani chita go me yeah the next the second derivative na jogoda first derivative ki lo juzo sida first derivative is negative sajin less than 0 to telenga chi ki range find be analo range of values of x find be to ba so x ki value digati hongo sajin x ki value di ani ni ki bana negative 3 the positive 1 ki bana imba chin the 11 di chegi the ani first derivative di kachongo sajin the negative e se me ba to bala first derivative di negative tama tenge graph na lo kachibe negative ga graph no tenge to bala now second gachi bego sa d2y by dx square है negative be proof bego ba de mosla gachi proof bego lo da d2y by dx square है negative the num in the values of x mosla range of values of x ani ki range gachi na lo values of x ki range gachi na lo negative na ani tengo ba da ani tengo ba gachi bego sa dambarang agi second derivative sego first derivative se sai ba de mola second derivative sin to bola second derivative so second derivative de gadi bi chong so chin now first derivative gamchi topchi first derivative thing I gamchi di dy over dx gamchi topchi I got 3x square plus 6x minus 9 se topchi to bola minus 9 now second derivative di d2y by dx square the gamchi deu so 3 times 2 is 6x plus 6 the guy mere theu derivative of x is 1 and derivative of constant which is 9 ani ki 0 hi mate mosh ani beodalu I'm getting d2y by dx square kamchi thobe so 6x plus 6 times 1 is 6 animchi thobe. Now the next gaji bego so dang igi d2y by dx square the less than 0. Less than 0. The num in any values of x gachi values of x ki the range mod la annalu range of values of x gachi nalu ngachi ki d2y by dx square is 0 deong less than 0 deong anything gachi nalu tago ba de mosla range se go ba ani beodalu d2y over dx square is less than 0 silabbe ani ki sama gachi chu go so je dachi zumera bego you have to put 6x plus 6 less than 0 ani jambe ba de mola ani jamdo do so nga gi analu 6x jong ani 60 phata baung so negative 6 jong mosla the next thing gachi be so chin I'll divide on both sides by 6 because I want the value of x mosla ani be so x the gamchi jong so negative 6 divided by positive 6 is 1 by the mosla negative 1 by 1 is negative 1 so ani the ben gachi gachi me so chin x is less than negative 1 di ani the ben de gachi gi anale go to the mosla negative 1 less than negative 1 le go to the ngachi gi second derivative di gachi deon so chin da ani di decreasing me ba de ma ba decreasing function ni ma decreasing function deon se la bi lo me ani chi ngachi tengo to bosla da jura gachi be sa ngachi combine be go ba graph chi gi ben di combine be go to bola so nam de chen thank you for following graph chi gi ben di gi we need to combine be go ba okay combine be odalu. So combining now these two inequalities I need to combine. Anida tachi thopche ba mosla. Tachi guys thopche ngachi well kale inequalities. Anida ani combine bego ba mosla. Ani the 2 be ba. Ani the 1 be ba. Ani 1 the 2 combine bego bi. Ani 1 and ani combine bego to bola so 1 and ani 2 combine bego to busla so combine be odalu now combine be odalu gade be thop savachin number line na dige to bola combining 1 and 2 to bola 2 on a number line mela number line di gade be deu kare khen mola number line di yeah ani 0 ime number line nalu tele 1 2 3 ani be deu negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 be deu mate deu me dila dile negative 4 be ani be jong continue te alu 4 5 be jong me gala number line nalu ya daben damba ranga chi gi dachi gi bane to gala 1 nalu gachi di 1 nalu di gachi di so gachi lan di 1 nalu kale 1 gi di jage da nalu 1 gi di gachi di so chi khara di jage x is greater than negative 3 and less than 1 ani be deba dachi gi ani di gachi gi in dachi range of values chewdalu first an top to being gachi to gala ani di first derivative gi dallo ta gachi be go so now x ki value di negative 3 greater than negative 3 so greater me ba ani be ndi just ani circle anjum chi shade ma be chugo to gala circle shade ma be chugo so an circle de another digo ga se debe men ya thokalo ngachi shade ma be hingsang sa be dini sa ana diro to bujla dele less than 1 is me ba less than 1 se ana de to gala ani ngachi gi less than ben di circle di shade be ne me o mela te gadim chi be less than equal to or greater than equal to e ba chi analo anjum gi sign e ba chin ben di shade be go to bujla tatu de gachi me just less than greater than and less than jam judo ba an ben di shade be ne me hago e gala ani di ngachi gachi be go sa jinda connect be tango ani di ngachi dy over dx ki delno me dy over dx ki delno next thing gachi do sa jinda second na jo x is less than same ba x is less than negative 1 so negative 1 de ana do ba negative 1 de ana less than se wala gati hon tomo less than negative 1 se wala continue be jone ma ba bata ani be point ani pointer chugo ngachi al du su ani graph ti nam beni go chung so class 9 na lo anjum inequality graph zoni graph read beni disu gar byo to gala so ani na machuru to beba na machuru to so ayal chu ime to gala 다 아니 combine 배우달로다 아니 combine 배우달로 같이 더 없어진 다 같이 common point 가티 돌라 common point 나보 지수베 갈라 common point 가티 돌라 common point decrease 디 가틀 센스 조멜라 common point so 아니 나루디 아니 graph 다 몰라 아니 overlap gati joina ani portion di chego to bola overlap da anim chino joma bola ani na when the same value take be mala khone gi to bola same value take ani be to dy over dx da d2y over dx square gi ani same range na khone chara less than 0 me bada anale sense ani portion di take be me because this portion is only for this emola daji gi ani gi don le jamchi me bada ani gi don le jamchi tele ani anale mata geni me because mata geso bache ani gidon jam chi jom bade so khoni lo common portion de gachi dosa common portion de ani me bade this is the common portion ani di gachi ki combine be digo ba so ani be lo gachi ki final de gachi de so bachin final inequality me final inequality de gachi de so bachin therefore inequality x is greater than gachi hongo so greater than -3 hongo greater than -3 hongo ba teboda less than gachi hongo so less than +1 me la gachi hongo common point ki end de mosla end points de bago less than -1 hongo to bola -1 so ani ni nalu ani -3 da -1 mosla ani ni ki ba nalu bende khoni gachi bema sajin the common do ba ani ni chara nalu dy over dx da d2y over dx square ni chara decrease less than 0 me ba decrease chome to gala 아니 디 세나 아세메 아니 디 내가 지기 세이 또 걸라 아니 내가 지기 대 combine be range of values 세나 아세메 또 걸라 question 나라 아니 베메라 range of values for which ana question 나라 아니 베메 find the range of values mush of x for which dy and dy over dx and dy are negative 세메 바데 so 코니 common point mush라 common range 디 최고 봐 아니 common range 디 같이메 서와친 common range 디 가기 되 텐도 좀베 common range 디 아니 range 나 nichara decrease chodo same to gola nichara common nicharalu te common yemigis te portion dinga chi ten dango to bola nalu ani about the x is greater than -3 less than -1 nalu di gachi pema swajin nichara decrease mushla nichara decrease ani di nicharalu common yemigi the range to gola nicharalu so you mean common values will satisfy both inequalities member inequalities nichara the satisfy se be member de bawdalu dy over dx ta d2y over dx ni chara decrease pesa ki common point dikhati me soche ani se mela common range te to gala ni chara the same ani range se go ba ni chara gi denlo same range se go to gala ni chara gi denlo same range se go ba same range te ani la ta dy over dx ki denlo jam chi ba cha ani la range te d2y over dx square ki denlo ma cha ani la range te but khon ni chara te common the range ni chara gi denlo common range se go ba chi ani la to gala ta ani gi denlo de gachi be ga we have to combine be go ani combine be odale nga chi gi line graph job e mola number line job e be wa chin te hinsang so be top so la nga chi to koshla ani bi me la aldo so ani bi la okay yeah aha host I love you lo Guzabo Mr. Amazing thank you so much la thank you so much la Mr. Amazing welcome Mr. Amazing the majo hala me asi hoye gatiro jui jo Mr. Amazing please follow Mr. Amazing is my one of my animal top gifters in egidunlu Mr. Amazing Thunder Pemba Friday exhausted Bella this is sir from I'm at Bhutan la Bhutan memola sir kusin simera yasisla sir gatile pha jesu de sinoila chala gata dide boni me gata bachi sir chala gi bete tu de komme ba cooling period oh lasso cooling period ya sir gachi cooling period ni mo sir gi the second ngachi gi magi di juma do badi mosla ani judo go ba ngachi gi bigi portion bigi di juma do topic gachi nala topic di ngachi gi da to second order derivative gi bedo to bala second order derivative. So now next na jo dalo ngani base hai ba. So question na tawachin yada mayasna. So question na ani judu maswanga chi show that d2y over dx square is not equal to dy over dx whole square. Ani proof bego laga chi to bala ani chi proof beni ani chi proof begor bego me ani proof ma veji mi to mushna. So second na jundu bola proof beva. So now ta ni me ngachi ani di just ani chamchi bego la na bugi such namsim bego kane. So ngachi shi mo la ani second gi lab me ani gi lab me question digi diu ma ba ngachi lo proof bena se me ma ba show that d2y by d2y by dx square is not equal to dy over dx whole square slab mein. So ani proof beni to bol. So d2y over dx square thing achi gamchi thop chi sawache we got 6x plus 6 to gala 6x plus 6 thop chi ba. So ani the d2y by dx square in to gala. Now dy over dx the gamchi thop chi san dy over dx the ngachi gamchi thop chi dy over dx the we got 3x square plus 6x minus 9 the whole square se thop chi ba denga chi mosla amji thop chi ba ngachi gi ta ani di da ngachi gi whole square se the member the mo 6 3x square plus 6x minus 9 se ba. Now ani square be wachin ani square be wach gamchi thop ngachi 3x square plus 6x minus 9 se do. So ani ngachi expand be wachin ani expand be wachin ta ngachi tan to ba expand be da ani thobe method mapler method tomne do bola ani expand be da ani di thobra method ba de because gachi jo tauchira shi ba de ngachi gi kade be shi de tauchira de the 3x square plus 6x minus 9 whole square se me gachi mo ani di 3x square plus ani shortcut chi tenge ngai ani be ma de ani di square chap go do bola 3x square whole square se square ga ar lujingo thak plus 6x whole square se be go to bola tele plus minus 9 whole square se bego to bushla sum charol square jingo plus ta khwani multiply bego khwani multiply bego dalo 3 6 is 18 se top to bola 18 top 18 da chiga 2 multiply bera bego me 2 times 18 se 2 digatil almost mati because ngachi expand bego da tik tik thyon deung lani 2 times 18 mosla tele x square times x will give you x cube dele ani ni multiply beni 6 9 is gachmo 54 times 2 bera bego to bola tebe the positive jo negative jo because positive times negative is negative. So 2 times gachi jo so 54 times imela times 54 x se jo tele jura gachi bego so last kini ani ni multiply bego ani bego dalo ni sharap chi positive chi negative me ani bego dalo sin ni shara same many digi gachi top so chi negative ro top to boshla. So 3 9 digam jo 27 so 2 da chi multiply bera bego 27 top then you will get x square. So ani beta dalu gachi top so na square ni charol jingo mola 3 square is 9 x square whole square is x raised to 4 plus 6 square digam chimo 36 x square top then negative 9 square will give you 81 positive 81 plus you're going to get 18 times 2 digam chimo 18 times 2 the 30 comes top 36 x cube then minus 2 times 54 digam top 108 x minus and comes up 54 x square se to ani bawdalu there's no way that this dy over dx whole square is equal to this 6x plus 6 possibility me to gala and when expander bemengo and expander bemengo tauchirashi to bushla tauchirashi because ngachi himalaya power 2 do yalen power 1 me ana gajme quadratic deli daro the ani multiply begon gachi jome deli the quadratic jome to bola quadratic jome and when linear the ani quadratic the derivative of musla. Therefore, conclusion nar gachi the so achin your d2y over dx square is not equal to dy over dx whole square se. Ane bene to gala. Ane be jong se shodo. Ane the second part ki. So anim chi be dalu ngachi ki dari second order derivative thing ngachi judu to gala.